Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today I have a really exciting one because it's going to be a bonus video. I'm actually uploading 5 videos this week. You're very welcome. So yesterday's video, you'll have seen that I reviewed the brand new Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint Foundation, which is actually what I've got on right now. So I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. And then tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, there's going to be some tutorials coming. The Thursday one is this one that I've got on today. All will be revealed starting tomorrow. But today I really want to show you what was in this month's Glossybox. So this is the Bloom and Grow Glossybox for April. I've actually just recorded a lot of this without my microphone turned on, so re-recording. So within this month's box, there's like 3 products that everybody gets, and then there's like a mix of like which one will you receive for the other 2 products. So I'll show you the 3 products that everyone gets just so you know what the crack is, and then we'll go through what the options could have been. And obviously it's just a mystery, you just get what you kind of get really. So the first thing that we have is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub. This is just what it looks like. It says that it contains exfoliating and soothing properties to rebalance and purify your scalp and leave your hair feeling fresh and shiny. And this is actually worth £9, which is really good for like a deluxe sample. It smells like a mix between a really nice spa and a really nice like man. Does that make any sense? So this would be really good if you get kind of like I get a lot of, you see that, like a lot of flakes from like my dry shampoo. Be really good at like really cleansing your scalp and getting rid of all of the build up from products that you're using, or even just you build up from shampoo and conditioner, etc. And then the second one that everyone gets, which I was so excited for, this is the Brushworks Scalp Massager. So this says level up your hair care routine with the scalp massager from Brushworks. It has an easy to grip handle. This tool is meant to help to stimulate healthy hair growth whilst keeping dandruff and oil buildup under control, and this actually retails for $7.95. And then the other thing that everybody got is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, the Botanic Beauty full size mascara. This retails for £18, which is insane. Like, you've got so much money out of this Glossybox already just from them 3 products. So it says thicken, lengthen and curl your lashes with the Botanique's Beauty Grey Lens Mascara containing conditioning ingredients. Your lashes will be strengthened from root to tip for a voluptuous look. £18, that's actually crazy. It's like high end. So that was like the 3 products that everybody got. And then I am a bit bummed. I really am a bit bummed because there was 2 different products that you could have got. This is one of them. And the other one was the Beauty Crop Avocado Poreless Primer, an extra large one, which is worth like £22. And unfortunately I got the nail varnish. I feel like I'd rather not be told what I could have got. It's a bit like, here's what you could have won, and then you don't get it. So yeah, I'd rather have just not known that this was going to be the options, but hey ho. Unfortunately I won't get my use out of this because I do get my nails done. So yeah, I would have been a lot better off with the avocado primer. And it's not really fair because like this is worth £11, whereas the primer is worth £22. So it's not even like they have the same like monetary value. Yeah, I'm a bit bummed about that, I'm not gonna lie. And then the other one, you could have got 3 different things. Alright, okay, it makes more sense now. So you could have got 3 different things. One of them was like some heart cleansing pads worth like near enough £8. The other ones were like Magnetone, again like cleansing pads, again worth like £8. And then the last one is Frank Body, and it was like a lucky dip, which now makes sense why it wasn't the picture on here that I thought it was going to be. So it just says that you could get a surprise product from Frank Beauty, and this is worth $4.95. So again, it's one of the more like less value one that I got, which I think, I don't know, I feel like I'd rather not be shown it, do you know what I mean? I don't know. I think because normally I don't look at the little brochure, I never get to compare like, oh, what did somebody else get? But yeah, because I've looked at now, I'm a bit bummed that I got that, not the primer, but I got this in PR, I'm thankful regardless, do you know what I mean? But if I was buying this, I would be a bit bummed about that. But anyways, this is what the Frank one that I got. So it says a scrub from down under for down under. So I think this is a fanny scrub, not gonna lie. I think that's what it is. I think it's a fanny scrub. Says get naked and get wet in the shower, massage, scrub over your entire body, leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse. And it says use me 2-3 times per week for best results. So it doesn't actually say anything about privates. So I don't know, but it's just the name of it. Like I put the picture of like what was in this Glossybox as soon as it arrived in my Patreon. So if you want to kind of see things first and get like first kind of exclusive look at things, please join my Patreon. It starts at like £1 a month. You can cancel it whenever you want. But it's really nice. It's a nice little community of like girls who just love makeup, and everyone's so loving and supportive. But yeah, when I put this in, I was like, is this a fanny scrub? Is this what I think it is? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you a bit of an insight of the things that you can get from Glossybox if you do want to sign up. There's also like a few other benefits of signing up as well. You get like exclusive early access to like the exclusive boxes that they do, where I know before they've done like Fenty, which was like an amazing box, absolutely amazing. I remember buying that one. I actually bought a Glossybox subscription just so that I would get early access to that, because like that was a banging box. But yeah, even stuff like the little Easter eggs that they do, advent calendars, that kind of stuff. If you have a subscription with them, then you get things reduced, and you also get early access to it, just so that it doesn't sell out before it goes like out to the public. But yeah, that is everything. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for the start of an exciting little trio of videos. And yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Love you. Oh, bye.